How do I invest? So many images. What do they mean? All of these commercials.
Shouldn't you be doing this?
It's really straightforward. Listen, I gotta go, Bob. We'll talk to you later.
Okay, Mr. Mover and Shaker, that's enough trading for today.
Does experience like this matter? It does, if you care about results.
Gain from our perspective.
The 5-second guarantee. Bad idea for fine dining. Good idea for online trading.
If we juggle some things in the portfolio, I think we could make that happen a little sooner than we thought.
Sweet.
Tym più, że nie ma atramentu.
What?
And not just on television. Ever try to read an article without seeing a financial advertisement? Wow, sailboats, mountains, and a starry, starry night. Maybe that'll help me invest. All of these famous, trustworthy faces. The financial firms must be reputable to be able to license these famous icons to be the image of their company, or even sing about their services. Ah, golf clubs, big sport for finance. Could that help me be a successful investor? Who helps me to build capital to save money? This says the most important financial tool of all is trust. Who do I trust? This says superior quality to high net worth individuals. Well, am I high net worth? I've put 2 of my children through college, but I don't own any of the exotic perks of life. Does the wealthy echelon know something about investing I don't? Doesn't my hard-earned lifetime savings and retirement deserve the same respect and treatment as that of the rich or famous? So many animals as corporate symbols. Of course, bulls and bears. And is that an elk or a deer? Penguins, kangaroos, thoroughbreds, dogs, elephants, and giraffes, whales, polar bears, and dolphins.
Lions and tigers and bears.
Oh my, it's all so confusing. Over 10,000 stocks and nearly 30,000 mutual funds. An indefatigable onslaught of impressions, bids, and offers, all designed to lure the investor, you, to their financial services. When I do pick a television station, it's confusing as to exactly what I'm supposed to watch. Do I watch the talking head? Do I watch billboards of numbers on the side? Or do I read the numbers and news zipping by below? It's video pollution of the screen. Whatever happened to one screen and one picture? It used to be so simple. Although there are times when producers know the advantage of one face, full screen, full of attractive information.
We have anchors on CNBC. One of them is called The Money Honey.
Burton Malkiel is professor of economics, Princeton University Bentheim Center for Finance, and the author of the classic financial book, A Random Walk Down Wall Street. You will hear more from Professor Malkiel later in the program. How do you know if the intrinsic altering aspects connected with finance might affect my own investing? I mean, does Medicare or Medicaid have anything to do with it? How about war? The cost of a barrel of oil? What if Social Security bankrupts? Do my investments take a hit? How about the Fed? Mortgage rates, a gallon of gas, a Katrina-type storm, the economy. By the way, who measures the economy? How can I tell if it's soft or strong, and how does it affect investment? Defense spending, Congress, the strength of the dollar, crime costs, school bonds or school levies, rebuilding levies, buy your lunch or bring your lunch, whole wheat or sugar. Wait, that's the diet industry. The haze can easily take an innocent investor way off track. Back to investing. Should I trade derivatives and futures? How do I consider federal tax, port security, homeland security, the deficit, gross national product, international trade, cyber theft? There's a classic military expression, the fog of war. Former Secretary of Defense Robert McNamara explained it as, war is so complex, it's beyond the human mind to comprehend all of the variables. Other military experts use the term fog to describe war's ambiguities, the realm of uncertainty. 3/4 of the factors on which action is based are wrapped in a fog of greater or lesser uncertainty. The financial equivalent in the 21st century is the fog of investing. How do you navigate the incomprehensible variables, predicaments, and the realm of uncertainty surrounding investment decisions? How do you find your way to the simple goal of building a retirement portfolio to live the golden years with the money you've worked for? How exactly do you escape this dense shroud of utter confusion, navigating the fog of investing?